Hello, the button that is not working is this button on the top left of the screen, the enter button. The backlight is not on at the moment. If I press it, any button, it should bring on the backlight. That is not bringing on any backlight. If I just try any other button, notice the light comes on. If I want to change anything, as in this case, if I want to select that model 08 Silky Light, having selected that, I should be able to press the enter button, and which should then bring up a menu, and I should be able to select it, but you notice it's having no effect whatsoever. I can hear it clicking, but nothing's working. All the other buttons seem to be working okay. So if I want to go down, say to select on this one, I should be able to press the enter button saying that's the one I want, but again, nothing, absolutely nothing. Notice the light's gone out again. Pressing that button should bring it on. Pressing any other button or switch brings the backlight on. So it's this enter button that is not functioning, which means I cannot change any model, I cannot change any settings. Basically, as far as I'm concerned, the whole machine is frozen in its present position. Thank you.